Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Inshot video editing application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Inshot and start your search. Once you find the Inshot application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Inshot application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And once you open up the application, you can proceed forward with creating your new photo, video or collage project. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Inshot video editing application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next videos.